much money will I get to keep when I sell my home? That's a great question. Too many people oversimplify this estimate and end up disappointed. Figuring out how much money from your home sale you'll get to keep is more than just subtracting the remaining mortgage loan balance from the sales price. Many homeowners have unrealistic expectations because they don't know how to calculate their net proceeds. So, start by using an online home value estimator calculator. This is a free tool that shows you an estimate of how much your home is worth. This is not a guarantee, so know that numbers will fluctuate. However, this will at least help you get a good ballpark figure to start with. Then use this calculation. Take your home's estimated sales price, subtract the balance of your remaining mortgage loan, and subtract your expenses. That's how much money you get to keep after selling your home. There's a lot of expenses that could come up, like staging costs, closing costs, title fees, attorney's fees, transfer taxes, etc. However, there are ways to reduce them. One way is to increase the amount of money you'll get to keep in the end is by hiring a professional realtor to secure the biggest sale price possible. If you need help figuring out how much your net proceeds are, give me a call. I'm happy to help. I'm Miranda, the Texas Queen of Real Estate.